Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi, love bugs. Today I'm going to be refreshing my godson's playroom. I am here in Georgia, and y'all, he has so much stuff. My baby almost needs a storage shed outside to put his stuff in because he has a lot. He is a handsome, blessed little boy. So, G Mama is what he calls me, so I'm his G Mama. G Mama is gonna come in with his grandmother, and we're going to refresh his playroom, and he's going to love it. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're interested in this type of content, please do not hesitate by clicking on that subscribe button and the notification bell. So, you all, if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you all to continue to support us. So let's get into refreshing this playroom for my godson. So the first area that we worked on is the book area. He has so many books, and that's good. So they can be interchangeable. And this shelf right here, it came from IKEA. I believe it was like between 36 or $38. And then we have the rack with the puzzles on it. And look at the cute little rocket light. It changes colors. It is such a vibe in here with that rocket light, and that came from IKEA as well too. And he actually chose that rocket light. He said that's what he wanted, so G Mama got it for him. But as you can see, the puzzles, we have the puzzle rack there, and then we have the books on the bookshelf by the sides, and this little seat right here is a little cushion area with a little pillow, and then we have extra books and extra toys underneath there as well. I think my favorite part is these cute shelves from IKEA that we added to the wall to add some more books up there. And then we just did the stuffed Spider-Man up there just to bring a little bit more character to the space. But I think those shelves are absolutely gorgeous there. And here's another IKEA shelf that we have, and we just housed it with toys that don't make a lot of noise, like Play Doh, your writing whiteboards, extra crayons, art paper, and so on and so forth. So that's what we house on these shelves right here. And we try to ensure that we label everything. So this shelf is empty, but that's where the art paper for the roller is going to go right there. And my bestie, she's already put it up there. She sent me a picture and showed me. So over here you got basically all of your writing tools. You got your all of your art stuff, basically your crayons, your chalk, your paint, all of your different markers and color pens are here on this three-tiered shelf. And this shelf too also came from IKEA. And then, as you can see, the bar there, we're hanging like dress up clothes on that as well too. And that came from IKEA as well. And they're so cute. We got two of those. And you got your paint easel there along with your table and two chairs. And yeah, he can sit there and write and do his art there on the table. So he and I sat down and decided to get some canvas and do some art. So he did the art here on the wall, as you can see. He did the painting there, and then he also did his handprints. So it turned out really, really cute for his space. I love it. I love it. I love it. And he had a good time doing it. We just laughed and played and just had so much fun and enjoyed each other while doing it. So as I stated before, these came from IKEA and we use those for all of the dress up clothing that he has. And then we're going to go slide on over into the dramatic play area where you have your kitchen sets, your ice cream bars. He has so much to play with. He will never be bored. And this stand as well too came from IKEA. Majority of all of the stands and shelves we did get from IKEA. And so yeah, this is his kitchen set. And then he has like an ice cream parlor there as well too, and that is just so cute to me. You can be so creative with all of these different kitchenettes that he has here. I think he has a total of three because there's another one there, and it looks absolutely beautiful over here in the dramatic play area. Now we're going to slide on over here to our gross motor area where you see all of the different types of pushing and moving toys, like the trucks and the cars, the race cars, all of that we have on this shelf. And this shelf as well came from IKEA too. He has his musical instruments and then his Gigi got some hooks and hung them on the side of the shelf to be able to house the larger instruments that he have there. And then we have instruments like the guitar on this side as well too. So everything has its place, and we were teaching him, when he takes something down, when he's playing with something, make sure you put it back before going to the next toy. So you won't have a whole mess to clean up when you're done. So there's some more toys there as well too. Now you got your blocks and your manipulatives over here in this area. And these are like two stackable shelves here that you see. And then he has his TV area with all his learning tools there. All of his workbooks are there. And then we have some more gross motor over here on this side where we have a book with a stuffed animal to show a little bit of contrast. And he just turned 4. My baby is 4. And that poster there is so beautiful. And then we got our woodworking tool area over here. And he enjoys playing and building here as well. And then we just put a poster up, the Toy Story poster there. It looks good. I think it's perfect for the area, for the space, and it just looks really, really good. It's very kid friendly and inviting in this space here. And then lastly here, we have all the different size and different kinds of balls that he likes to play with. And then he have his basketball goal here with his small little hand size balls there. And then we put the Spider-Man poster up here on the wall. And everything just turned out so nicely. His mom is excited about it. She loves it. His TT loves it as well too, and his Gigi and his G Mama love the space as well too. And Jason is ecstatic about his new space. He love it. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this refresh of my godson's toy room. He has a lot of space there, and I hope he enjoyed from here on out. And guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see y'all in the next. Bye bye.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.